Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to connect Bambu Lab A1 Combo to computer, Bambu Studio setup and USB connection guide. Step 1. Install Bambu Studio. Download and install Bambu Studio on your computer. Then launch the software and sign in with your Bambu Lab account. The networking plugin is included or can be installed when prompted. Step 2. Connect the printer to Wi-Fi. Now turn on your Bambu Lab A1 Combo and complete the initial setup on the printer. Connect the printer to your 2.4 or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network using the touch screen or the Bambu Handy app. Step 3. Make sure both devices are on the same network. Connect your computer to the same Wi-Fi network as the printer. This allows Bambu Studio to detect the printer automatically. Step 4. Add the printer in Bambu Studio. Open Bambu Studio, click the Device tab, and select Add Printer. Now choose Bambu Lab A1 from the list. If prompted, enter the access code displayed on your printer's screen to complete the connection. Step 5. Verify the connection. Once paired, the printer will appear in the device panel. You can monitor print progress, send print jobs, and manage printer settings directly from Bambu Studio. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.